So we have been celebrating our 150th anniversary really for almost a year now. It was in April that we officially hit 150. We became a company 150 years ago in Rotterdam in the Netherlands. And we started as a cruise line that brought immigrants from Europe, especially the Netherlands, to the New World, mostly in New York City. And so very few companies and certainly very few cruise lines have been around for this long, and so we have been celebrating for a full year in all of the ports that are that we visit and that are important to us. And so we're very excited to be in Aruba today to celebrate our 150th anniversary, as well as 65 years with Aruba. Well, don't tell some of the other ports this. We haven't been able to celebrate in every port, but we've tried to celebrate in ports that we spend a lot of time. And obviously with Aruba, we have common heritage with our Dutch heritage, and so this is a very important destination for us, and we wanted to make sure that we were celebrating our anniversary. We were very pleased that the Prime Minister was able to join us to celebrate with us.
Aruba is also one of the countries with the most impressive recuperation after the pandemic. And that is thanks to the partners and stakeholders like Holland America Line. And on behalf of the government of Aruba, of course, I want to congratulate you with this celebration, but mostly thank you for believing in Aruba, for trusting Aruba in good times and in less good times. So I hope that this will mark the beginning of another 150 years at least. And I wish you good luck. And once again, on behalf of the government of Aruba and the people of Aruba, thank you for working together with us.
So when this ship is full, which it is right now, it's just a little less than 2,700 guests, and then another 900 crew members. When we come to Aruba on a day like today, where we'll be here from 8 in the morning until 11 at night, it gives them all a chance to visit, to see your culture, to experience your shops and everything that's beautiful about Aruba, not only for our guests, but even for our crew when they get shore leave, so that they can see a new part of the world, or in many cases revisit a place that they have visited before, and sometimes do a little shopping themselves. Well, first, what I would say to the people of Aruba is thank you for your hospitality, because I know that usually about twice a week this time of year we have a ship come to port here, and our guests absolutely rave about the welcome that they receive in Aruba. They love visiting here, and in part because they say that the people of Aruba are so nice, are so welcoming, and so thank you for that. Of course, for anyone who wants to, we'd love to take you on a cruise too, and whether that's to Alaska or another favorite destination. We are a cruise line with a Dutch heritage, and so there is some commonality with the people of Aruba, and we would very much like to welcome you.